And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.3510 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, probability is very high that if the price keep moving below this level, we can see a support coming at a level of 2.7 at $2.0750 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, a bounce back can come from this particular level, or if it started going below this level, it will move in this zone. Okay, so you have to understand, as soon as it started going in this zone below this level, we can see it can go towards 1.8 and then to a level of 1.7. Okay, and then once started falling below this level, it will move below a level of $1.5, and then chances are high it will cross this level and a further downfall we can see. Okay, so probability is very high. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, and then if it started falling below a level of 1.8, probability will be high, it will cross a level of 1.5, and then if it started going below 1.5, we will see that this level we have not seen since around, you can say, for 7-8 years. So probability of moving further low we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, probability will be higher that if the price started again towards a level of 2.8, we will see it will go further upside, and if it started going above $3, we can see it can go towards 3.1 and then to a level of 3.2. Okay, and if it started moving above this particular level, so probability of moving further upside will be there. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see. Okay, before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, a swing has already formed at this level. Okay, so probability will be higher that it can go further down, because from 4 weeks it is continuously down, and at a level of 2.8 I've already told you that it can go sustain above this level, because there was a clear pattern forming towards an upside, and a high of around 3.2 it has made, and after that there is a fall. Now if you look at the dollar index, see, dollar index is also, after making a high of around 106, it came down, and probability of moving further low we can see. This is the trend what we have seen in the dollar index, and if you look at this trend, probability is high if the price started falling below again towards a level of around $104.6, chances will be high that we can see it will go further down. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, chances will be very high that if the price started going below this level, we can see it can go towards 104.5 after moving below a level of 104.7. Okay, and as soon as the price started going towards a level of 104.5, a further downfall we can see, because see, there is a clear triangle is forming. But if the price started going above level of 105, we can see a level of 105.5, and then from there a further upside movement we can see. And you have to understand, dollar index is inversely related with natural gas, and sometime what happens that they both moves in one direction. So in order to reduce that uncertainty, try to put your SL. Okay, that will save your capital. Okay, and once you start in profit, always try to trail your profit so that a profit can be saved. And once you started trailing your profit, see, profit is very important. If you accumulate the profit, you can take a little more risk, you will be more confident, all the things is being done. Okay, now coming back again on the natural gas part, if the price did sustain, what we can see, because see, probability from 4 weeks it is continuously on the downside. If I have already explained you that if it started sustaining above $3 only, we can see a further upside. So if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of around 2.23. Okay, and started falling below that particular level, we can see a level of $2.13. If the price moving below that particular zone, chances of going towards 1.97 will be there. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 1.76. After 1.97, we can see a level of $1.76. Okay, which is already being weak, and after that we can see it will fall below a level of $1.7, and chances of touching a level of 1.6 we can see. If the price moving below this level, we can see it will touch a level of 1.5. Okay, and this is the level we have seen. So probability of moving further low we can see, but probability is higher that if the price started going below $2, you will see it will move in the zone. But remember something, see, if a swing form, what we can see, suppose if the swing form, we can see it will go above a level of around $2.43. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, we will see it will go towards 2.59. Okay, if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2.75 we can see, and if that sustain a further upside we can see towards 2.85. Keeping that in mind, that if the price started going above 2.85, a probability of going towards 2.96 we can see, and from there it will move above a level of $3.1. After a level of 2.9 we can see it will move above a level of $3.1, which is already being weak, and then we will see it will go above a level of 3.2, which is also being tested here. So chances of going a further high we can see towards 3.38 and then to a level of around 3.6. Okay, this 3.6 is already being weak, so chances are high it will sustain above this level and a further high we can see. So probability of moving further upside we will be there. Okay, so any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel please subscribe.